Are you ready to bake some festive gingerbread cookies with Bosch? Start by creaming 150 grams of butter with 100 grams of brown sugar until smooth. Mix in 160 grams of molasses and 1 egg. Next, add the dry ingredients. 350 grams of flour, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Now, roll out the dough and cut it into your favorite festive shapes. Place them on a tray and let the Bosch Series 8 oven do the rest. Set the temperature and time and watch your cookies bake to golden perfection. Finally, it's time to decorate and enjoy the taste of the season.